Henry McClure live down here at the Classic B. Introduce yourself.
Martinez from Absolute Painting.
Oh man, I see your ads everywhere.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, don't you see those? So where are you? Where's home for you?
Lawrence, Kansas.
Okay. So do you have some bids today?
Yeah, I have a couple. I have one at 1 p.m., then one in Olathe at 4. So.
Wow, you're everywhere.
Yeah.
But I like your ads.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. So, well, let's talk about your business. Tell us about it. You know, I got a few viewers that watch this.
Cool. All right. So I got all of our guys are W-2 background checked. So we don't use subcontractors or anyone that's on 1099, just so we honor the schedule of the homeowners.
Okay.
So start to finish, we're going to be there.
Now, what about commercial painting?
Yeah, we do commercial as well.
Hey, Tyler Wible, I'll save you this card and bring it to you. A friend of mine's a developer and a general contractor.
Cool. All right.
All right. Well, cool. Henry McClure Live, just making friends. Cool. Talk to y'all later. Say goodbye.
Bye.